Hi, this is Hans the Ramen Rater, and it's time for another instant noodle recipe time with me, where you get to hang out with me while I cook some noodles, and maybe you'll learn a thing or two. That's a lot of fun, right? Yeah, so today I'm cooking up this Tapatio beef beef ramen noodle soup. Salsa picante. It's microwavable, it's also steepable, and I thought I would steep it today. So here is what it looks like. I should also mention there's a contest going on, so what you need to do is go look on my YouTube channel and you'll find it. It should be like right at the top, or if you click on videos, it'll be very recent. You can get a case of 6 of either the beef, chicken, or original of these Tapatio bowls that I'm cooking one up of today, which is beef. Yeah, sent to your door. All you gotta do is find that video, comment on it, and also, but you have to subscribe to the channel. That's required. So yeah, if you do all that, and you could be one of 5 lucky winners, you know. Purchase not necessary. Might even make you a sandwich. So here is the beefy sachet. Here is the bowl with nothing in it as of yet. Here, let's get there's the full effect, right? Anyways, you know, kind of like you have a nice beer and they turn the glass. No, you don't. Okay. Yeah, it's really hard to get these contests to go outside of the U.S., but you know, I know a lot of people outside of the country are gonna be like, "What? What do you mean?" But that's just the way it is. If it's really successful, they might say, "Hey, I want to do this again. Will you do this again with your readers?" And I'll be like, "Sure, you can give the nice people free stuff." And then that's how it'll go. Nice people. Yeah. So this is 3 minutes. What about on this side? In hot water. Tray 3 minutes. 1, 2, 3. I know it's already been a few seconds, but it's all right. I'm a professional. I know how to do this. So I'm going to put a bunch of stuff in this, first off. Of course, I'll try it first, but yeah, I've got some interesting stuff here. So we made, what was it? It's like rice and ground beef and cheese and bell pepper and onion. And we whip that all up, and maybe a little egg, and I have that for dinner sometimes. It's super good, but got some of the ingredientes from that. I'm trying to say things with a slight Mexican skew to it now. You know, this whole thing is just going nowhere fast. There we go. You can see the bell pepper. Now I'm doing my Creole sound. Get a little bit of bell pepper. Yeah. And then I've got some, I don't know, should I just use cilantro? Maybe I should. I got this micro arugula. That works in some respects, but you know, I remember one time these people were trying to force arugula on us, and we were just like, dude, knock it off with the arugula. We're good. So, yeah. I use cilantro instead. It's more festive, more, oh, what's the word? Logical. So, alright, so let me get that. And we also got cheese. I would use hot sauce, but I'm not going to use hot sauce that's not Tapatio, and I don't have any or the only hot sauce I have on hand right now, sadly, is not Tapatio. So, I'm sorry, Tapatio, but I don't have any of your product at the moment, but rest assured, usually I do. Alright. Anything else out of here? No. Ah, I needed to put this back. Yeah. And those noodles should be just about done. On the timer, it says we've got 12 seconds. Oh, and I've got an egg that I made in one of the egglets. And there's the alarm. We now also have the added joy of a fork coming up right about now. Because without a fork, this can get ugly really quick. I'm really kind of a messy person, and I don't want to mess up my extremely clean stove that people constantly are commenting on. I guess other people do these videos and they just like really have messy stoves. I never realized this, but I guess that's just kind of really common. Let's see, let's get you in on this. It's right about there. Alright, here we go. Look at that. It's a meal. In 3 minutes, no less. So I will give this a taste. I have tasted this before, but it's been a while, and this is for a review, so. Noodle came out good. Tasty noodle. It's red. Very red broth. Yeah, I can get with that. For sure. It definitely has kind of a tomatoey, south of the border-y. It's got the flavor. Alright, so here's how I transfer. I just basically pinch the edge of one of these things. I pinch it. Pinch it like that. And then it's a spout. And then we go into there. And you're wondering, why are you... What are you... Because, don't worry about it. You'll see. You in there. Alright, so let's gussy this stuff up. So we need our... Alright, we got our this, we got our that. We need our bowl. So here's our bowl. Let's get all up in your face with that bowl. This bowl came by way of Wajimaya, my childhood favorite Asian grocery. So here's how that just straight up like that looks in a bowl. That's pretty rad. Notice there's a lot of veg in here. Looks like cabbage and things like that. So yeah, you're good to go. Here's some meats. Meat and bell pepper and onion. Oh yeah. And we're gonna put a little bit of this cilantro right here. And we need, yeah, we should do the cheese right now. We need to do a quick cheesing. If you dawdle on the cheesing, it won't melt. So here's a pinch of cheese for you. Just a pinch. Just a pinch. a thimbleful, as it were. Today we're using medium cheddar. And now we're going to slap on this egg. I don't know what state it's in. It was soft boiled. Now it's been in the fridge for what? 2 days? Oh no! Let go. My tripod's feet are magnetic, so they work really good on the stove. But my spoon got stuck to the tripod. Oh no! All right, here we go. I'm curious if it will still be soft. I'm sure most people are like, dude, why would it be? But I'm curious, and we're gonna find out right about now. So here's Mr. Egg right in the middle, right about there. Oh, that's lovely. That, I'm proud of you, Mr. Egg. All right, and we're going to snip you right about there and out, and oh, look at that. Well, my goodness gracious. Heavens to Betsy. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. All right, so yeah, there you go. Where'd my fork go? There you are. Come here, fork. So, yeah, we got your Tapatio noodle, meat, onion, bell pepper, cheese happening. And this is going to run over and have a nice little photo shoot in a second. Trick here is hopefully there's not too much cold, because most of this stuff came out of the fridge. That's okay though. I need to get one of those heat lamps so it'll melt things. But anyways, let's do a quick jump around the bowl with some. Look at that. Here, we gotta do the music. Yeah, whenever I see anything rotating in any way, shape, or form, I hear music from like some kind of disco era of some sort. Anyways, well, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you absolute enjoyment of your noodles and your day. Have a good one. Bye.